Hi friends, today's video topic is dual boot. How to dual boot Ubuntu and another operating system. So first I have installed Windows 7. Right click on my computer and manage. So it will open the whole computer management. So here we're gonna go to the disk management. You can see disk management. Let's maximize it. So this is disk management. It shows you the hard disk or how many hard drive you have. I have two hard drive. So in disk 1 I have installed my Windows 7 and disk 0 is my data drive. So right click on C drive and shrink volume. Give at least 15,000 megabytes. That's enough for Ubuntu. So give shrink. It will shrink that, and we have unlocated 14.65 GB data. So that's it. Now our task is over. So let's close it and shut down. Now boot a live USB, boot from USB SanDisk or whichever your pen drive. So here we are booting with the pen drive. Whatever image you downloaded, you just flash on the pen drive. You can find the many videos on that. So I'm not making that video. Now once it's loaded, you have this screen. Go and do install Ubuntu. Select language. I am using English US. Continue. Here you can have the option to connect your Wi-Fi or whatever your network, but I don't want to connect right now. Continue. Two options: normal window and minimal window. In you see the minimum window you have only web browser and basic utility, but in normal you have many things. Please select install third-party software because it will install your graphic drivers. So there here three options: install with Windows 7, but I will not gonna select. The second option will remove everything of my disk, so I will select something else option. Continue. So here you see I have two drive. The third the in second drive you see the free space which we shrinked from C drive. So select that, select plus. You must select primary, it is recommended primary, and select slash. This is the root partition and ext4 file system. Okay, so this will create our drive 15729 MB. It's okay. Select your hard drive. I have two hard drive, so I will select second hard drive 160 GB. Install now. That's a install now. It will prompt you. It will remove your drive. Make sure you want to change. Yeah, I want formatted ext4. Yeah, no problem. So continue. Select your country, whichever you are. I am from India, so selecting India. So give a name of your computer. Your name, my name is not PM Vankar, my name is Praful. So I will give my name Praful Vankar, VNKER. My computer is, this is my desktop system, so I will give a desktop name, desktop. And I like my username as a PM Vankar, so I will give my name PM, username PM Vankar. You can give any password. Simply I will give 1234, easiest password. Continue. So now you see it will prompt Ubuntu is installing, copying files. So what is happening here, if you see select copying file, it will in background, it's what in installing our operating system, it installing one by one instructions. So you see first it's copying some file. Now you see the Linux module, NVIDIA driver. So I have a graphic card, so it will install that driver also. So I have no need to worry about that to install that. So this is the main part, grub installation. So the grub is a tool that start before any operating system starts. So Grub will give options to select which operating system you want to operate or which operating system you want to start. So it's done. Now restart it, and it will prompt you to remove your pen drive, whichever pen drive you used. So remove that pen drive and press enter. So it will restart, and you see after restart it will prompt a Grub menu. You see I have Ubuntu and Windows 7, so both operating system are there. So I will select Ubuntu first. Let's see it's operating or not. Yeah, it's operating. Yeah, Praful Vankar done. Give my password 1 2 3 4, enter. So that's it. That's our Ubuntu, latest Ubuntu 2004. So let's sit down and see what happens if our Windows 7 is running or not. Let's test it again. So I will power off this and now again restart it. So now I will select Windows 7. So let's see. Yeah, enter it. Yeah, Windows 7 is running. I think should be no problem. Let's wait. Yeah, it's running fine. So give your password and run. So this is the way how you can use both of based. You can use your Ubuntu, you can use your Windows. So some system needs Windows, some software needs Ubuntu. So that's based of you. Thank you.